Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the extended single crochet stitch. It is a simple stitch, so we're going to jump right in. You're going to start off with your slip knot and you're going to chain however many you need for your project. I'm going to do 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and I have my 12 stitches, so now what I'm going to do is chain an extra one just for my turning so I can maintain my stitch count. And now what I'm going to do is zoom in for you guys a little bit, and I'm going to go about working in this second chain from my hook. I'm just going to insert my hook as I normally would for a regular single crochet, and I'm going to pull up a loop. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. So then I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through 1 loop only. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both loops on my hook. And that is our first extended single crochet. Now I'm going to do it again. Pull through one, and then pull through both. And I'm going to do this all the way across the row, but I'll do it slowly so you guys can watch. And then there's one more, just the one. Insert my hook, pull up a loop, pull through 1, and pull through 2. And that is how you create the extended single crochet loop stitch, extended single crochet stitch. I hope today's tutorial was helpful to you. If so, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my weekly content. Feel free to check out some of my other tutorials and videos on the channel. And until next time guys, happy making.